Rusty's Garage. Howard lifters in there. Look at that. There's my trick flows. Gaskets are on. Heads are on. Front end I'm working on. I'm going to start doing head bolts. Get that cracking. There she goes. She's coming along. I had to drop the header in there because otherwise I can't get it in. So I had to drop that in there, and I gotta get to these bolts. Look at that. Look what I got to work with, people. This side should be a little better. We'll see. Oh, there it is. Rusty's Garage, wrenching away all your performance needs. When in doubt, throttle out.